I'm Danny Loya. When you first receive a flat, you're supposed to pull off to a safe place in the parking lot, or off to the side of the road, just like this one.
It's good.
Are you ready?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, go.
Make sure you apply the parking brake. If you do not, the car might suddenly start to roll backwards when it gets up on the jack. And if somebody's underneath your car, they might die. So you want to make sure you do that.
Yes.
Right?
We're going to show you how to repair a flat tire. First, for this specific car, you're going to find the jack and the tire in the passenger seat. That's where the jack's going to lay. And for this specific car, you're going to find the tire right around here. See that right there. Alright, next. Once you get the jack, you're going to come right here and place it under here where there's the structure of the car. So you won't mess up any parts. And how to raise this, go like this. Which raises up. Cool, right? Alright. Next, place it under here, and place a block under here in case the car might fall on you. The jack might be too big or something. Once you do that, you can place a tire, which is better, so it helps more support. And once you do that, you're gonna have to get the crowbar, which is right over here. I can pause it here. Once you get the crowbar, you place it right here. Right here. You gotta make a star pattern right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna start twisting it. Left. Left is loosey, right is tighty. Alright. Left, and then left, left until you get them all out, alright? And once you do that, you're gonna take this tire out, place it over here. Make sure you put the lug nuts somewhere special so you won't lose them, alright? Pause it. Pause.
And continue where Adam left off. Take off the spare tire.
Place it on the side.
Place it on the side.
Good job.
Move it to the spare tire.
Nice pair.
Usually the spare tires are in the back or in the trunk.
Yes.
Take it off and roll it over. After you roll over the spare tire, place it in. Make sure everything's aligned, the lug nuts, whatever such. Put it in.
Get the crowbar.
Get the crowbar. And make sure the lug nuts are all in. Do the star pattern, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright.
After that's in,
Once you do that, make sure it's right to tighten and left is loosen.
lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yes, sir.
After that's all in, make sure it's stable.
Once you do that, you take off the jack.
After you take off the jack, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's may take a while, so take your time.
Alright, once you get done with that, then
You should be good to go.
start
Buy
your
a brand new tire.
and
Drive safe.
good job, guys.